How to make a landing page on Shopify store. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can make a landing page on Shopify store. So what you have to do is just go to your apps option over here, just click this add option, and here you have to write Pagefly and search for Pagefly by pressing enter. And once this is loaded, I'm going to show you what you have to do next. So here you can see that there is this option of Pagefly landing page builder. Just click this option and then you're going to click install over here, and once you click install, it's going to take you to another interface where you have to click install app, and once I land on that interface, I'm going to come back. So just click install app over here, and once you click this install app, you are going to download this automatically to your Shopify store. Now just click this Pagefly page builder and you can just click dashboard over here, and once you click this, you're going to scroll down, and here you can see that you can watch a video tutorial if you want to, and also you can read a quick start article to get started with Pagefly. So just click read quick start article and it's going to take you to this interface. You can just watch the video tutorials if you want to, or you can read these steps to install or use Pagefly. You have to install the Pagefly page builder, then create a new page and get to know the key features, use Pagefly elements and preview or publish the page. Just click back to pagefly.io, and once you click this option, you're going to land over here on the official site of Pagefly. Just click try Pagefly for free. Now once you have downloaded Pagefly page builder, you can go to the dashboard, and here you can just watch the video tutorials or read the quick start article, and you're good to go with Pagefly. Or else you can just go to this pages option, and here you just have to scroll down a little bit, and here you can see that you can create a blank page if you want to, or you can click create from templates. I'm going to click create for templates and then choose a regular page. Here you can just create a page, and here you just have to search for a landing page. You can just choose the type over here. I'm going to choose a type over here, and here you can see there's this landing page option. I'm going to click this landing page option, and these are the templates for a landing page. Now let's create this one. I'm going to choose this one. You can preview these by clicking over here, and you can just select over here. Now once you click select, it's going to open this interface for you, where you can just edit your landing page according to your needs. You can add as many things that you want to, change the text and all. You can just change this heading, you can change column, you can drop elements over here, and that's how you can just edit this option, and then click save once you're done editing and your landing page is created. So that's an easy process to create a landing page for your Shopify store. I hope you liked the process, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.